onto you, their customer. And by the way, that's why they've invested in a U.S.-based customer service team. It's a company owned by a U.S. vet. You're going to love this company, the exact same service, and you save a ton of money in these tough economic times. It takes a few minutes of your time to make the switch. Dial pound 250, say the keyword save now, and you'll save an additional 50% off your first month. Pound 250, keyword save now from our friends at Pure Talk.
Jobs. Joe Biden can't spell it, and he can't keep them for the American people. Check out the Sean Hannity Jobs Forum today. Now, Hannity's on Coast to Coast.
You know, our great nation was founded on the principle that all men are created equal. Far too many of our nation's colleges and universities, including some that are, quote, Ivy League, well, they continue to insist on using race as a factor for admissions. Now, the Supreme Court is deciding a landmark case on this subject right now, but there is a unique American college that does not discriminate based on race. It's our favorite college, Hillsdale College. Now, Hillsdale was founded in 1844 to educate all persons, irrespective of nationality, color, or sex. Our friend Dr. Larry Arnn, the president of Hillsdale College, he recently published an article explaining Hillsdale's colorblind policies and their related refusal of government funding. Read it for yourself when you go to their website, SeanForHillsdale.com, SeanFor Hillsdale.com. Now, after you read it, you may want to support Hillsdale with a year-end gift. They're doing great work educating our kids. Now, go read Dr. Arnn's article today, SeanForHillsdale.com.
You've heard me discuss how my everyday aches and pains were affecting my daily life before I started taking Relief Factor. You've also heard me talk to you about how my friends and family have found relief from their aches and pains with Relief Factor. Well, let me tell you about Gary from California. Gary says, I cannot thank you enough. I am 62 years old and have just started taking Relief Factor. I've never felt better and will recommend Relief Factor to all my baby boomer friends. Well, thanks for writing, Gary. 3 weeks from now, you could be doing the things you enjoy doing. Your first step to living the life you love, free from aches and pains, could just be to order the 3-week Quick Start for only $19.95. After trying Relief Factor, over 500,000 people have gone on to order more. Go to ReliefFactor.com or call 800-4RELIEF to find out more about this offer. That's ReliefFactor.com or call 800-4RELIEF. Live your best life and feel the difference with Relief Factor.
I'm Rick Edelman. Every week I give you the information you need about the 5 personal finance topics that matter most. Listen to my show, The Truth About Your Future with Rick Edelman. Technology's changing everything. Join me this Saturday morning at 10 on 560 KSFO.
Have you received your upfront in-writing guaranteed sale agreement at your price? Well, that's what you get from Sherrod with your home sold guaranteed realty. When you decide to sell with Sherrod, you receive an upfront written guarantee that states your home will sell at your price and in your time frame, or Sherrod will buy it. Having an upfront guarantee sale allows you to shop for your next home knowing your present home is guaranteed a sale. It removes any fear of getting stuck owning 2 homes or not at all. And you benefit from the peace of mind knowing you're going to get your price in your time frame. And included in a written guarantee is a promise you'll always get the highest price. You see, at any time a better offer comes along, you get the higher offer, not Sherrod. Guaranteed. If you or anyone you know is considering selling a home and would prefer to have a guaranteed sale, call Sherrod today at 408-740-7400. That's 408-740-7400. Or visit TradeMyHome.com. That's TradeMyHome.com.
Ever wonder why your business doesn't show up on online search maps, but your competitors do? It's hundreds of things. Things that Cumulus Boost can identify and fix. And that's how we boost your findability. CumulusBoost.com. CUMULUS Boost.com.
Black Friday weekend is here. Once a year, you get the lowest prices on the top-rated brands of TV. Samsung, LG, and Sony TVs at stupid prices. You don't have to buy a no-name doorbuster TV with poor picture when you can get a good one for a few dollars more. Where's the best place to shop for these top brands? At Video Only, the only place where you can get better than Black Friday deals on Samsung, LG, and Sony. Better than clubs, better than online. Before you buy, check out the deals at Video Only, because if you don't, you'll be sorry.
Hi, Doug Andrew here. 4 questions. Did you or someone you know lose money in the market in 2008? Do you think a crash like that will happen again? Do you want to have what happened to your money last time happen again? What are you doing differently to prevent that? If your retirement savings are invested in the market, reposition that money and protect it from losses sooner than later. Learn how to make money safely with little to no downside risk. Join us for one of 4 Retire by Design workshops. We're coming to teach free workshops in Morgan Hill, Palo Alto, Walnut Creek, and South Wednesday and Thursday, January 18th and 19th. Call now to register and get details. 1-888-73-RADIO. That's 1-888-73-RADIO, which is 1-888-737-2346. 1-888-737-2346.
Now, back to Sean Hannity on Talk Radio 560 KSFO.
As we roll along, Sean Hannity Show, 800-941-SEAN. Anyway, so they have a week-long early voting in Georgia. That is now happening. And I know I'm trying to convince people in Georgia that this is important, and maybe you are part of that group that has this reluctance and this resistance towards voting by mail, voting early, whatever. That's not what the Democrats are doing. And I don't know who's in charge. I have no idea who's running this race. I don't know. But if you don't play on the same field, you're going to lose. And you can win it, but you can lose it too if you continue to reject the system that Democrats keep using. I mean, it's at this point now, it's just becoming a self-fulfilling defeat because they've taken this system, they're running with it. By the way, there was an opinion on Red State, quote, busted, reporting shows Warnock campaign calling out-of-state residents for votes. Now, this is why the conditions that I say are so necessary. You need voter ID, signature verification, chain of custody, managed properly, meaning every ballot that shows up that comes by mail needs to be on camera, available for the public to watch until they finally count the votes. Updated voter rolls, and then partisan observers observing the voting and the vote counting up close and personal and start to finish. I mean, these are simple, basic, fundamental things. Ask yourself, why don't Democrats want these integrity measures like voter ID adopted? You want to go visit your congressman, your senator at the Capitol? Good luck getting in without a voter ID. You want to go to a Democratic National Convention? Good luck getting in without a picture ID. If you want to buy a pack of cigarettes you smoke, or a Juul pod, or a beer, or a bottle of wine, or a bottle of vodka, good luck if you don't have some picture ID.
Well, take a look at KSFO traffic.
A 2-car crash in Hayward, northbound 880 at Tennyson. Everything off to the side now, but emergency crews on scene. Expected delay. San Lorenzo, southbound 880 at 238. We have a crash off to the side. No delays reported with that wreck, however. And then San Francisco, some road work southbound 19th Avenue between Ortega and SF State.
This report is sponsored by Blindster.com. Want to save 50% on new blinds? Blindster offers custom-made blinds, shades, and shutters shipped to you at prices less than big box retailers. And right now, save 50% off any order during Blindster's Cyber Monday sale. Hurry, sale ends December 1st. Blindster.com.
At the age, it's important for your parents to maintain their independence. But they can't do it all like they once used to. And in this digital world, it's easy to forget things like paying an important bill. That's where Silver Bills can help. Just dial 1-855-589-5265 to learn more about our unique service. It will work with you and take over the tedious task of paying your parents' bills. Silver Bills provides a dedicated U.S.-based professional account manager who will receive, scrutinize, store, and make sure bills are paid on time and correctly. You'll always reach a live person, so there's no need to have a computer background or be tech-savvy. We're fully insured, recommended by AARP, and have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, so you'll have more time for quality visits and less time for stress and worry. Peace of mind is just a phone call away. Call Silver Bills now at 1-855-589-5265 to receive 1 month of service free. That's 1-855-589-5265. Silver Bills, because time together is better than worry apart. 1-855-589-5265.
Is the season to have friends and family stop on by. Great first step. You can do it today to get ready. Call our friends at Zero Res. Get your carpets clean. Get them deep clean. Get them shiny, new looking. Do the same for your tile and grout and area rugs too if you like. Zero Res does it all. Man, I got to nail down various holiday plans today, which is one of my least favorite things to do. But if your plans include people coming over to your house, well, you want to get your carpets clean. Probably the sooner the better because they're going to get super busy. You don't want people showing up to your house. You can do all the straightening up you want. If your carpets are dirty, ew. And do you let your dog up on your couch? You got an upholstery couch? They clean upholstery too at Zero Res. 20% off all carpet and tile cleaning services because, yes, they do tile and grout too. Give them a call, 877-321-0739. That's 877-321-0739. Or schedule your appointment at ZeroResBayArea.com. Use the promo code ZeroRes11. Zero Res. Spell it backward or forward, it spells the same. Zero Res.
At EasyCater, food for work is our thing. Maybe that's why we get orders from 93% of Fortune 500 companies. So what's up with the other 7%?
Well, food is late again.
You should have ordered for EasyCater. Professionally delivered right on time.
EasyCater, huh? Have a pen?
No, I don't have a pen. Does anyone have a pen?
Yeah, I'll remember.
Why don't all companies order through EasyCater? Who knows? Order 24/7 from over 95,000 restaurants on EasyCater.com. EasyCater, food for work. It's our thing.
At Simply Safe Home Security, your safety is the only thing that matters. So this holiday season, we're giving you 40% off any new system because feeling secure in your home is a gift that everyone deserves. Named Best Home Security of 2022 by U.S. News & World Report, Simply Safe protects your whole home with advanced technology, powered by 24/7 professional monitoring. Visit simplysafe.com/holiday to save 40% today. There's no safe like Simply Safe.
Get up to $26,000 of ERC money for every employee you had in 2020 and 21 to qualify. You qualify if you satisfy either one of these two tests. The easy way, your gross revenue drops a certain amount. The complex way, a full or partial closure of your business, a facts and circumstances test. You could only use the inside of your business up to 25% of capacity. Even an essential business like a food store at a 75% partial closure. Or supply chain disruptions. Or limits on the number of people you could have in an area. Or many other possible factors. Beware of companies that only consider the easy way and avoid the complex way. And also companies that fraudulently say everybody qualifies, especially companies that only just recently came into existence and then can disappear. We've been practicing tax law for over 30 years. Call Moskowitz LLP at 888-TAX-DEAL. That's 888-TAXDEAL. 888-TAX-DEAL or MoskowitzLLP.com. MOSKOWITZLLP.com.
Dad, I picked up your pills, made your lunch, and your laundry is done.
When you care for a loved one, you take care of everything. But are you taking care of yourself? Find free care guides at aarp.org/caregiving. Brought to you by AARP and the Ad Council.